Well guys, look what I have here. Little Miss Pet Shop, or LPS for short. I used to watch YouTube videos of these, like people playing around with them and stuff, and I think these are the new ones. These are the ones that you gotta collect. I think these might be no, I think these are new. I think everybody hates the new ones, I believe, but yeah. This cost me around $3.99 at HMV in Bexley Heath. So yeah. Who have I got? Okay. Right. Okay, they put paper on it, which is cool. Oh, I got a little, what is it? Chihuahua? I think it's a little Chihuahua. I think it's a bobblehead. Oh. Yeah. It's pretty cool. It's got, a little, number on it and stuff. That's cool. It's got a little tiara. It's really cool. Sorry about the noise. That's why I just went quiet. So, okay, so the tiara's supposed to, yeah, that's cool. Interesting. Is there any more in this box? Nah. Okay. I think that's it. Yeah.